presence of Jerome, he is personifying Elvis Presley. What's up, everyone? It's me, your Solitary John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. Mega love shoutout mga Jeromantics. Welcome back sa ating channel, and for today, we are back for another reaction video para sa inyong request ng rendition ni Jerome Ibardome ng And I Love You So. Ito nga ay isang guesting niya ata sa kasal or debut. Oo, parang ganun yung pagkakasabi. At syempre, meron din atang version si Elvis Presley nito. So excited tayo guys kasi favorite ko tong And I Love You So nung kinanta ni Sam Milby. Oo, hindi ni Elvis Presley. So tingnan natin how Jerome will give his own flavor as Elvis Presley para sa kantang to. But before I proceed guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go. Here it is, guys. Shoutout kay Mandong Labandero. Ay! Grabe, no? Pati talaga yung pagsasalita ni Jerome. Elvis Presley na Elvis Presley. CTTO kay Marisa Alikpala. Mega love shoutout po. Ano pang forms ni Jerome? Ay, smooth. Parang ang sakit naman na pagkakakanta ni Jerome. Hindi niya ata marinig. Grabe, the low notes is so smooth. And napansin ko lang yung stage, guys, bongga, grabe glass with flowers inside. Kabog. I think it's a debut, di ba? Wow. Iba yung hagod. Wow! Diba? Iba yung vibrato. Ay, diba? May sumasayaw. Silent sayaw while nagchichismisan. Chariz! So soothing vocal. He's giving his own version as well. Diva, so smooth and solemnly rendition of Jerome as Elvis Presley. Hindi ko alam kung nasal yung ginagamit niya, but he's nailing those nuisance talaga ni Elvis. Ganda ng low tone. May ganito ba talagang version sa Elvis, guys? You can comment down below. Feeling ko it's George McLean, parang ganon. Grabe talaga yung low tone. Look at Jerome. Grabe ang Japorms natin for today's video. Di ba yung pag-wave? Grabe. Even the switching was so good. May pagpikit pa ng mata. Diba? Parang hinaharana ka ng bongga ni Jerome. Ooh, I love that. At saka yung hindi bumubuka talaga yung bibig niya, but he is singing it and nailing it so well. You're around, diba? Oh, that is so sweet. Oops. Diba? Sabi ko sa inyo eh, charit. Ending na pala yun. In-stop pa natin. Hey, kapag! Jerome, ang ganda rin ng venue, in fairness. There you have it, guys. That is Jerome Ebardome for his rendition of And I Love You So as Elvis Presley. Nangharana siya sa isang debut. Hindi ko lang kung debut talaga yon or kasal kasi bongga yung production nung venue. I love the stage. And of course, the vocals and performance of Jerome, very serenading yung dating, 'di ba? Yung nuisance and lambing, yun talaga yung nagpapatibok ng puso natin for Jerome kasi iba yung lambing and yung ang tawag doon is vibrato. Oo, para sa akin yun yung vibrato ni Elvis Presley. How he switched the notes, kuhang-kuha ni Jerome yun. Kaya naman, nakaka-capture niya talaga yung mga puso ng mga nagmamahal kay Elvis. And of course, in the presence of Jerome, he is personifying Elvis Presley. Ganon. Tama ba yung term ko, guys? You can comment down below. What about you guys? What you can say about this performance of Jerome? You can comment down below. And if you have any other requests, you can always comment down below and we will check that out for you. You can also request in my Instagram, guys, kasi ang hirap din pala maghanap talaga sa comment section. You can check this QR code over there, Truly John Valencia sa Instagram, guys. You can send me a message or the link para direkta, diba? At ma-save natin agad-agad. At syempre sa shoutout ko kayo mismo kung ano yung profile name ninyo sa Instagram. Para shoutout ko kayo ng isang mega love shoutout dito sa ating channel. And of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Leisha Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.